What's going on, guys? So today we have another video for you guys. Today I will be picking up the F10, the 550. It did go in for quarter panel damage on the rear driver. Oh, and it's gonna get the rear bumper painted. I will post pictures of how it looked before, so I'm gonna go pick it up today. I'm pretty excited. That was one of the biggest things that was holding me back from continuing this build. So without further ado, let's get going. Guys, so we just picked up the F10, and as you see, we got the rear bumper painted. The quarter panel is done. It was a pretty big hit, so we didn't actually replace the quarter panel. I try to line it as much as we can, but you know, it's good enough. I'll get a little bit better shot when we have a little bit more light, but it's at least one color. So we got the door painted, the quarter panel, and the rear bumper, so it's not too bad. And the paint's not too bad either. Here's a cold start for the F10. It's currently on Catless downpipes and a Muffler Delete. God, I was never recording. Guys, so it's currently the next day. Yesterday we got home pretty late, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit closer look of the F10. So as far as the F10, we got the rear bumper painted. Like I told you guys, the quarter panel, everything came out really good. The paint's actually pretty good. I'm actually really happy with the paint. I heard from a couple people that metallic is a little hard to paint. So the only thing I need to replace now is like this part down here. That's pretty loose, but it's not a big deal. Maybe I'll just find a way to put it on there, because either way you can't really tell. As far as the inside is what shocked me the most, because all this was literally like crumbled, like nasty, and he actually found a way to make it seem like it wasn't even really repaired. So thumbs up to that. The body's actually pretty aligned. You can tell right there that it's literally flush, everything. And guys, when I tell you this thing was messed up, it was messed up. So what we have right now for the F10 that we still need to do, I still need to find a way to work on the suspension. It's a little high right now. I'm not a big fan of how high it is. We are doing some exterior parts and some mechanical parts that we need to work on, but I haven't really showed you guys the F10. It is dirty right now. I have not had it for a while, but it is the M package, so it is M Sport. This car, I actually got it crashed, so there has been a couple of things done to it that I obviously didn't post on YouTube because I just started, but I will continue it anyway. So all in all, I am really happy with the work, and if you guys are interested in body work from him, I will actually just contact me. I don't know if I should post his info on public, but contact me and I will definitely hook you up with his number. But it definitely looked like a whole car now. It had a different color bumper. So at first I did have a blue bumper. Everything was complete, but just the quarter panel was really ugly. But at least it looks like a whole car now. I need to work on some mechanical stuff right now, and then we'll start doing the suspension. And yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys.